Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. This week we're checking out Anker's brand new launch of the SOLIX C1000 Generation 2 portable power station. And they got a huge early bird discount happening. If you're in a hurry and just trying to pick that up, use the links in the comments or description and get over this page, get a good deal and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at Anker's brand new portable power station. Master the fastest portable power station, Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2 portable power station guide. This video we're going to go over all the details and everything about it. Amazingly enough, this got the Guinness World Record for fastest recharging portable power station for 1 kWh size. Fastest recharging portable power station, the Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2, Guinness World Records record holder. So it's 14% smaller, 11% lighter, 600 watt max solar input, and it's got infinite power, lithium iron phosphate batteries, 4,000 cycles you can charge. It's gonna last you 10 years. And you got massive output, 2,000 watt, basically a 2C rate, which is really nice to have. Generally, you can only get about 1C rate, which would give this about 1,000 watts, but instead you get about a 2C rate, 2,000 watt massive output. And 100% ultra fast recharging in just 45 minutes. And then you got 10 millisecond UPS, intelligent app control, and it's very quiet operation. These are so efficient, they stay very quiet. Stay ahead of any outage, 100% in just 45 minutes. If you hear the storms coming, you can get this charged up real quick for you. So it's gonna be great for refrigerators, keeping everything safe during an outage. CPAP machines, it's got the UPS built right in. It's going to keep everything running just fine for you, and it's got really high output, so it's going to be able to handle kettles, cookers, and things like that. That massive 2,000 watt output is really nice to have. And you got 10 ports on this. It's got 5 AC ports up to 2,000 watts. It's got 2 140 watt USB-C ports, and it's got another 15 watt USB-C, one 12 watt USB-A port, and one 120 watt car port. It packs away, fits anywhere. C1000 Gen 2's compact size makes it easy to store in your trunk, closet, or any corner, ready whenever you need it. Used every day for a decade. These last so long because they got LFP batteries in it, 10-year expected lifetime, and they give you a 5-year warranty on it. They're very confident in this product. Basically what this means is that after about 10 years of use, even if you charge it and discharge it completely every single day, you can still charge it up to 80%. These batteries are very, very long lasting, and you can continue to use it after that. That's over 4,000 cycles. And you got many different recharging options. You can charge it 600 watt max solar in under 2 hours. Plugging it into your wall at home, you can charge it in just 49 minutes. Using your car input, you can get it charged in 12.3 hours. And you can combine different methods as well. If you have the alternator charger, you can get it charged in under 2 hours as well. So you got more awesome features in this seamless 10 millisecond UPS. So this has pass-through charging function. You can plug this into your wall and keep sensitive devices plugged into it. And if the power goes out, it will switch over to the battery in this so fast you won't even notice. Less than 10 milliseconds. Your servers, CPAP machines, and all kinds of things will be just fine. And you got very quiet operation. When discharging under 200 watts, C1000 Gen 2 runs at ultra quiet 0 to 20 decibels. And of course, you got the amazing app control. Take control when it matters most. Put peace of mind at your fingertips with the Anker app. Monitor and control power from anywhere. Set the AC charging speed, which is great, especially if you're running off of inverters and things like that. You can limit how much wattage you're using to charge it. Get real-time monitoring, and you can actually save money with the 2 mode. Versatile power for every room and every routine. In the kitchen, running your medical devices, your home office, great when you're out camping. And this has a 2,000 watt output and can run power tools. So right now is an amazing time to pick this up because it just launched and there's always some really big early bird discounts for a limited time. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. And you can subscribe to my channel completely for free just by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get to these limited deals.